Hey guys, we are at Ikea. I brought Jaina. Hi Jaina. Hi honey. So we're in Ikea right now. We're gonna show you what the Ikea looks like.
Dapat ka na pumunta kami dito ni Dave kasi kailangan na namin ng kama. Hindi na ng aso eh.
Look, this is like kids. What is this? For oh, $19. Very light. I like that. But it is hot in Arizona, so I don't think we need this. Anyways, complete bedroom for under 500. Look at this. You can get a complete bedroom for under 500. There's light right here. I like this light. This light is beautiful. I like that everything has a tag, like this one for 889 for a combo set. Let's go inside. Ooh, look at this. Tiny table. Jaina, when you are all single, all alone, this is your table. $139. I like that. It's cute. Look at this. 189. Storage. It's plastic. Well, it's rubbery, not plastic. They're the same. Look at this. Super bright. I like the curtain. See? It's a fake window. Look at this. I like this. How much? $99. $49, Jaina. Yeah.
I don't know exactly.
I like it.
Or maybe the 40.
Huh? That's just one
or-
piece. Just one piece is 49. That's not bad though. I think that's very cheap. I like that. Oh, we've got too much lights already. How much? 67?
I want to replace that.
319.
Ooh, how much is this?
319.
I like it. Oh my god, this is very heavy. Is that real wood? It is real wood. It's so heavy. It's been there. There's a lot of people here. Sunday. People are shopping. You got one right here you can use, Mahal. Let's go. What is this? Pretty. Stool. Organizer. It's cute. $2,000 for this chair. I don't know if that's a comfortable chair, but cute. Tiny chair, $299. There's $149 if you want to be, find a small ones. $149, not bad. For a small apartment. Cool. This table looks like the one in my miniature house. This is cute. Oh, I love that lamp. $45. Whoa! Oh, it's just a blanket when you are watching TV. Yeah, it's only $199. I think I bought some, like 3 of them, and I went send it to the Philippines. This whole set is 1,799. That's a cute one. Corner, 49 bucks though. You know, when you watch TV and eat. What is this tiny thing? $6. What's the use of this? It's cute. Ooh, look at this sofa. The whole set is 899. I guess this name here is very popular in Sweden. Friheten. This whole set is 1,679. Ooh, small table right here. This is cute. Look at this. What is this? $39. This is cute. It has wheels. You can move this around. $49. There's round in here. $149. Now where is Jaina? What do you think of Ikea? It's big.
Big and good items. Good stuff.
You see good stuff? Look at this.
Yeah, I told Bob that's a tablet holder.
What do you do? Oh!
You can put your
How much it costs?
Almost $14 off.
Why don't you get one, hon? This is for food,
Yeah.
right?
But I thought they had to go
For tablet. $17 for that one? And if you'd like to find the products, you can just click right here. MPAZ IKEA family. This looks like rattan. Oh, it is rattan. There's a lot of rattan in the Philippines. Sitting the rattan chair right now. It's not that comfortable at all. We are at IKEA, me and Jaina. We're shopping.
So that's